boy tires done for.
Yeah, that nigga gotta work at the tire shop going crazy like that. We'll get you too, man. Y'all already know, man. It's your boy Killer J, Joe, man. Look, man, you got my boy Angel in this video. Hold on, bro. We gotta show them what whips out tonight, man. Hold on, let me show y'all real quick, bro. We got hella whips out tonight, man. We chilling. Y'all see me over there. We part cute, you know what I'm saying? We got the wide body scat. Ooh, we got Angel in the scat. Slim body, by the way. But you feel me? It's sound though. You know what I'm saying? Like, shit. Sunlight. Oh, we got that SRT on hood on top. Feel we got BMWs at. Hey, they don't know what this is. They gonna sleep on that though. They gonna sleep on that. Hey, they gonna sleep on that bit. They ain't even gonna know nothing. Hey, they gonna sleep on that bit though.
Keep that on the low.
Yeah,
keep that on the low.
You got the Infinity out there, what is it? Q-Wit. What's the wit? Are they racing? They racing? Woo! That boy's Stinger for the win. See, I ain't gonna lie, you wouldn't have did me like that.
That's just a scat, bro. Like, that's a scat, bro. We supposed to win that off.
Man, we're gonna have the fastest thing in the city, man. All the way down.
Look, he think he hard. Look at him get out the car.
That nigga feeling himself.
Oh God, he feeling, go beat his ass. Nah, that nigga ugly.
Go slide him out.
And we got the kid out there bit, by the way. You know what I'm saying? She.
We did say this in the room.
Big kill. You feel me? Got GT out there bit. Stop playing. We got the ZL1 out there bit. Ooh, that boy come trim. Stop playing with him. You feel me?
You need nothing. You need to sit down.
We got another kill over there bit.
What that Mustang?
That's it. We got this bitch just chilling though, man. Y'all already know, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Smash the like button, no cap. Cause on all that. What up? You finna hit that bitch? Nah, hanging out the window is crazy, bitch. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't see too many videos on Instagram lately, like the reels. Nah, niggas been getting ran over for real.
Not me.
On my mama.
Can't be.
Nah, my boyfriend slide that bitch. Oh yeah, he wildin'. He don't care about life. That nigga say he living to the fullest right there. Stop playing. He gonna hit that bitch?
It sound good.
Man, put that girl back in that car, bro.
That shit sound good.
Put that girl back in that car, bro. She ain't living like that, bro. That paint, woo. I ain't gonna lie, my mama, boy. You hit this bitch, boy. You hit this bitch right here, boy. Woo. On my mama, that shit over with. Oh hell no. Sliding that bitch, dude.
I'm about to sing my
Lick that motherfucker. Lick that bitch.
Oh hell no. Move my ass out of the way. I don't trust nobody driving. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. Nigga been driving for goddamn 30 years out there, bitch. I'm moving out the way every time. Hey, they be, I ain't gonna lie, they be clean though. My mama, they be clean. She.
I was holding that bitch, right?
You holding that bitch?
That shit was hard. I was scared as fuck at first.
I ain't gonna lie, boy. You went back,
like
you went
bitch.
inside that bitch?
Yeah,
Like,
I was out the window.
oh, you stayed out the window?
Yes.
Nah, you are. Nah, you are for sure.
I'm about to head out. I'm about to do like one little spin, but I'm not.
Alright, for sure.
You finna slide ZL1?
I'm gonna slide the ZL1.
Why so many cars pulling up?
Nah, I think bro finna slide first.
That's Mario. Oh, he brought people with him? Yeah, he brought somebody.
Oh, man, we about to go to the city, man.
Hold up.
We about to go to the city. We got a pack, bro.
Them boy, wow.
I'd be down to go out to the city. Hold on. Go right.
Oh God. That nigga about hella people with him. They rolling up deep in hell. Hold on, he's sliding horrendously. Oh shit. Look at him. They had to get their boo. They had to get their ass boom just like that. I ain't gonna lie, son, but you. Hey, son, you. I just someone got booed up. My mama his shit sliding. Let me get out the way though. I love my life. I ain't gonna lie, when these niggas start swinging they shit like that, cause I just get farther away.
That's why I be trying to park. If somebody's shit gonna get hit, I don't want my shit to get hit.
God, boy, I want my shit. The last thing on earth to get hit.
I might go around and cry.
Nigga can't do nothing. Oh God, nigga, you in a goddamn ducked out location. You can't even really do shit for real. They couldn't catch it, but you went ghost on their ass. Boy, that boy be risking it all right there, boy. Can't even count. Hell is you doing? That boy be risking it all, boy. I love him. That nigga don't go, he don't care about life. I like that though. Die lit, boy. Die lit, boy. Every time. On my mama. Woo. That shit stanky hell. That nigga say he be trying to get the bed. I need to get it. I need to get him my camera. Nah, he get hit with my camera.
Nah, I ain't gonna hit you.
Hey, that bitch flying down. Oh my mama, that shit gonna be funny as hell. Gonna go crazy over there. You better turn out.
Hey, my tires fucked up, bro.
Your tires messed up. Oh, he got excuses now, y'all. Oh. Oh, but the BMW is tripping. Alright, bro. Hey, bro. Look at him acting bad, man.
He ain't gonna slide a wide body.
Nah, that bitch gonna sit. Pretty head though. I ain't gonna slide that bitch. I ain't gonna lie. I wanna slide that bitch, but I ain't gonna slide that bitch.
That be clean as hell, though.
Lil Burn how to do it.
Damn, boy, I love them 305s on that bitch, and I do not want to buy no more.
Kid boys is out though, man. Y'all boys go get them, man. Kid boys is out. Kid boys up 1,000.
Turn nigga go wild. Daytona motherfucker, man.
Yo, that boy went stupid, I ain't gonna lie. That boy went stupid on mama.
That's them brakes, dude.
Oh, God, hey. You went stupid on that bitch. Oh, God.
I ain't know you had it like that, nigga.
You gotta run that bitch back.
Gotta run that back. Holy shit, big. We got hit doing it, we crazy.
Nigga got that job and you started.
Oh, God.
My turn. My turn.
Huh?
My turn.
You wanna do a dig?
Yeah, I want to see this.
Are you overdrive?
Yeah, hell yeah, I want to see this nigga shit pull. Somebody dig with him.
Alright, come on.
Ah, that boy got scared for a minute. He was like, damn, I just got a dub. Hey, that nigga said, I just got a dub.
You gonna do it?
Hey, that's a Chico.
Yeah. That nigga said, man, I just got a dub. Look, you finna beat this. Man, you better beat this nigga ass.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Damn, boy.
Tyshawn. Tyshawn, come on.
You here, bro?
3-0.
3-0, man. Stop playing with him. Oh, there you go. Oh, no. Woo-hoo.
Hey, he was right
Oh,
there.
no. Hold on. I don't know. I think Mustang low key. I think the Mustang low key on God. On God. On God, he got him. He got him. He got him. Damn, boy, you took it down air, man. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, that be was like, geez, though.
No way.
You know, like that, you know the okay emoji though? If 12 come though, they come because of him. That nigga shit too loud, bro. So we're really happy though. You gotta tell.
We just went diagonal though. You went diagonal. I don't know though.
I don't know.
I thought I won though. That's why I did a little celebration at the end.
Yeah, celebration. I ain't gonna lie, the kid be going stupid though. Off a dig though.
This bitch is pulling though, but you had that shit.
I hear that little blow up valve shit. That shit sound crazy. I was like, yo,
I ain't gonna spend. I ain't gonna spend. I was trying to drive, go down, come back down. I ain't gonna spend.
You can drive from that speed bump to right here.
I got you.
Damn.
I'm looking at this nigga just.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't think I ever get that comfortable.
I see the traction fucking. I'm like, bro.
Hey, fam, I don't know.
nigga, that's that Mustang
I
shit.
got hit that bit, boy.
Hell no. What? Bro, that tandem I did with that.
But you kept up with them pretty good.
Hey, Angel, watch out. Watch out.
That was a good back and forth though.
Dude, let me slide your shit right quick.
He ain't finna slide it, man. I think he finna go right over the speed bump.
Spark. You seen that spark?
Probably sport over.
Oh, that bitch be lifting, boy.
I want my shit. I want that shit. That shit you just did, bro. I hear the phone. Hey, yo. I don't know what the fuck. I ain't know nigga got that shit in there.
That shit is fast.
That nigga said that shit fast.
I knew I wasn't gonna kick over him. Why your shit spin though?
Well, my shit?
Yeah, why you spinning?
Yeah.
I coded it to M Sport, so I got what's the name?